Hi Internet, and welcome to my channel. Here's a quick update and demo of how I've integrated voice recognition into my home automation project. When it comes to such a project requiring voice recognition, the two most popular APIs is the Amazon Alexa and the Google Home API. Both of these systems operate on a similar principle. When the hot word is detected, it takes an audio recording that is then sent over the internet to a server where it is processed, and the results is then sent back to the device. One of the obvious downsides to the Amazon and Google servers is that if the internet is down, then they will not work. The other potential issue is that of a privacy concern, when audio recordings are sent to the server that you have no control over. I wanted to use a voice recognition system that is on-device, meaning that it does not require an internet connection to work and that it never sends audio recordings to another server. It also needed to support a natural way of talking and not just supporting predefined voice commands. It needed to understand the intent of my request. The system that I found to meet my requirements is Snips. Here's a demonstration of how the Snips voice recognition system is implemented in my home automation project. In the video, you'll also see the output from Snips, like when the hot word is detected, the captured text from the verbal request, and what the intent was. Hey Snips, turn on the light in the study. Hey Snips, please switch the study light off. Hey Snips, I need some light in the study. Hey Snips, make the study dark. Hey Snips, study light on. Hey Snips, study light off. Thank you for watching this demonstration.